Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I got some juicy heatless curls with some new products. I'm very excited, and I started with freshly washed and conditioned hair. So Spoolies came out with a new Beach Waves and Curls leave-in curl enhancer. It's on the thicker side of the spectrum, which is great for my hair because my hair likes butters and thicker products. They just work better. And they also have this really cool new purple galaxy sparkly roller. Let's go over the anatomy. We have a flat bottom and a cone on top. Starting at the flat bottom, that's where you will wrap your hair and go up, so that way you can easily close the roller and it'll snap closed and not pop open. Now you have this UFO shape with 4 vents. These vents will allow your hair to dry nicely, whether you're air drying or drying with heat. And they also have a mesh bag that comes with the roller, so that's cool for storage. I'm starting with my detangled section of hair, just removing my bantu knot and then applying 6 pumps of the leave-in curl enhancer on the section. I like to apply in larger sections so that I can save time when I'm actually rolling my hair. Applying on each section when you're rolling is going to take you forever. So now I'm just sectioning everything off so that I can isolate each section as I go. And I'm grabbing my spoolie. The flat bottom goes to the scalp, and I just wrap around, starting there and going toward the cone. That will make sure that my hair stays in the spoolie and the spoolie does not pop open. Once I get to the end, I close the roller, and I like to pull on the vents to really set it in place. And trust me, these rollers are very strong, they're durable, they will last for years, so don't worry, you're not going to break the roller. Again, I'm going to wrap my hair starting at the base of the spoolie to the cone. This will make sure that your hair will not pop out of your spoolie, and always go slowly as you smooth your hair around the roller so that you can make sure you don't have any kinks in your curls. Once you're done, close the spoolies shut. I like to grab onto the vents because my fingers are slippery from hair product, but you can always just squeeze and it will close nicely. I went to bed and let my hair air dry overnight. I tied it loosely with a scarf and used 45 spoolies in total, which is way less than I usually use. I usually use 60 of the jumbo spoolies, so this is nice. And this is what we're looking like the next day. So I am ready to take these rollers out and see my results, because usually I stretch my hair before I use jumbo spoolies. This time I'm starting on freshly washed kinky hair. So my curls came out looking amazing. I was very happy with my results. I don't think I've ever had a bad spoolie set. Even when I barely knew how to use them, my curls used to come out great. But I mean, check them out right now. You can see that my hair is very smooth. It's just bouncing back beautifully. And I'm just going to show you guys from front to back, the sides, everything, so you can see that everything came out looking great. And this is my last roller. Everything came out beautifully. I am very happy. So now that I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a couple of styling options for your hair. But first, I'm just going to quickly show you what the curls look like before I start to separate them. And the bounce back is amazing. So when I separate my curls, I generally avoid separating too much. Just 1 separation per curl, maybe 2 depending on how big the curl is, so that way I can have the volume but I don't lose the curl, because it's very easy to make your curls frizzy if you just keep separating them and separating them. You can see that the volume has come, so that's all I need, is just 1 separation and I'm good to go. This is about 6 hours later. I had stuff to do, but I'm just going to show you guys how my hair looks tied up with a knee-high stocking. This is my go-to hairstyle, and I just love doing my hair like this all the time because it's so easy and effortless. But we are also going to look at another hairstyle, so I'm just going to take off my knee-high stocking and show you my curls. I like to pick my roots gently with an afro comb, and just give my hair some lift so I can have a little bit of volume as I work. And I'm using a banana clip, separating my hair into two halves, one in the front, one in the back. The back half is going to take the banana clip because I can't seem to fit my banana clip on more than half my hair, period. And the front half, after securing the banana clip, I'm going to use bobby pins there to finish off my hairstyle. I'm going to separate the front half in two and pin one bobby pin on each side so they can add to the puff in the back with the banana clip. And then I'm pinning two bobby pins on the side so I can have this nice side swept look. I'm just guiding the rest of the curls. And that's all there is for this second hairstyle. It's very chic, sophisticated, easy to do. And I'm just gonna put one more bobby pin right there to finish it off. And that's it for this look. But let's go back to where we came from so you can see that heatless curls are indeed possible. Thank you so much for watching as always, and bye!